Hi friends. Today we will be changing the display on our phone. This is a very budget phone. Even the volume and power buttons aren't glued in place. There's double-sided tape on it, but the protective shell hasn't been removed. The battery isn't covered with any tape either. It looks like they even skimped on the tape. I've never seen anything like this before. I applied my own double-sided tape to the battery. And now I need to glue it back on, and I've also glued the volume buttons. Now the battery won't dangle around inside the phone. I also received the display module, and I'm going to test it now. Let me show you the full name of the phone. The display cable is under tension, so you'll need to cut the case a little during installation to prevent it from breaking. Another phone repaired. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe and see you in new videos. Bye.